Hello to everyone from RADE Garage. More and more miles we ride with the KTM 790/890 Adventure, more we like it, because of its suspension, engine, ergonomy. But we wanted to give it more rally style design, typical for Dakar factory bikes. And on top of it, we add practical features, improving the adventure riding experience because of our fairing kit. The core and main differentiator of our fairing kit is the carbon tower. We have used our previous experiences from the RADE Dakar to design this carbon tower for the 790/890 fairing. We design it in a way that is stiff, stable, but it has also certain amount of flexibility to absorb the shocks when riding hard terrain. And on top of it, we significantly reduce the weight. When we are speaking about the entire kit, so in comparison to the original cockpit, we are saving almost 1 kg, which is pretty significant and improves the handling of the motorbike, because we are speaking about something that is placed in front and on top of the motorbike. The RG tower is made from carbon prepreg in autoclave under high pressure and temperature. So actually the same way as is used in aviation, Formula 1 or on Dakar factory bikes. Guys, to get the best combination of the stiffness, flexibility and low weight, we use variable amount of layers. The basic are 3 layers, and wherever you see any holes, we reinforce this area. And especially here on the neck, where goes the biggest force, we use 8 layers of carbon. And especially this part is further reinforced by the stainless steel metal insert. And one more thing to mention, all the holes are coming from the mold. So actually we don't disturb the structure of the material. We fully trust its quality and durability, so we give you the lifetime guarantee on this RG carbon tower. Even if you crash into the rock or if you hit a truck, of course better if you don't, we will change the carbon tower for you like this. When designing this fairing kit, durability and endurance was very critical parameter for us. That's why we try to do the design and select the materials in a way that the kit is as much crash-proof as possible. The windshield, as well as the side panels, are made from Lexan, very flexible material, not easy to crack. The windshield holders sit on silent blocks that are giving also additional flexibility. In the end, the fairing, it's very stable, it's not shaking even if you ride on stones. But on the other hand, the solution is quite flexible and ready for some of your hits, and increasing the probability you will bring it back home in one piece. The safety feature of our fairing kit are the strong LED headlights, the high beam and the low beam. They have 70 watts input, which is 10% more than the original one. But what is more important, it's luminosity. It means the amount of light you are able to get in certain direction. And in this parameter, our headlights are almost 20% better than the original ones. We are able to get this performance not only because of a good Cree chipset, but also because of the optics. One more remark, mainly for European customers, because we are here a little bit more bureaucratic. We need to say that these headlights are road legal. They have ECE certification for the low beam as well as for the high beam, and they are uniform for left hand as well as right hand traffic. You will get the copy of the certificate in the box with the headlights. The original cockpit holders are weak point on this motorbike, and they used to crack after some time. To avoid this situation, we have designed the support brackets, that are included in our fairing kit, that holds the original holder with the frame. And we did the design in a way that the VIN code is fully readable. We do many travels ourselves with this bike, and we know how important is the amount of space for navigation. That's why the carbon tower comes with a crossbar that is fitted on the silent blocks that reduce the amount of vibrations going to your device. So actually this solution is more gently to your tablet or handset. To simplify the fitment of the tablet or any other device to the crossbar, we add into the fairing kit also this platform, so-called Garmin adapter, that is compatible with the rub mount or the original Garmin cradle. The adapter can be fitted to the crossbar horizontally or vertically, and you can also set proper angle of your device. You can see in a cockpit it's enough space to fit even big tablet. Or you can place here the Garmin device next to your handset in a good viewpoint for the rider. And we cannot forget, each device needs to be charged. So for instance, for the handset, in the tower is prepared the USB port, and the devices like Garmin or Cockpit that is integrated connector into the cradle, let's say. So this can be connected down in the tower to the power source of the motorbike. And moreover, this package will change your original 790/890 into true RADE style bike. And then even on your adventure trips, you can feel like a pro rider. Guys, if you like it, please order on our e-shop.